When you feel your faith slipping. There are moments in life when your heart feels heavy, your soul weary, and your prayers seem to echo back unanswered. You begin to wonder, am I losing my faith? In these moments, pause, breathe, and remember, the most authentic and powerful faith often reveals itself not during times of ease, but in the depths of difficulty, when everything seems to be falling apart and yet you still whisper, Ya Allah, I trust you. That is the pinnacle of belief. The test of faith, holding on in the dark. True faith is not proven when things are going well. It is proven when you feel like you're drowning, when the pain is unbearable, when hope is barely a flicker, and yet you cling to the rope of Allah with every ounce of strength left in you. This is not weakness. This is the courage of the soul. It's in these moments of silent struggle when you choose not to give up that Allah is watching the most. He sees you, He knows, and He never lets your trust go unrewarded. Shaitan's whisper, don't let him win. Shaitan is cunning. He waits for your heart to break, for your spirit to bend, and then he whispers lies. You're alone. Your prayers don't matter. Allah has forgotten you. But know this, Shaitan thrives on despair. He feeds on your sadness. One of his greatest tricks is turning your heart away from gratitude, planting seeds of ungratefulness that grow into hopelessness. Don't let him succeed. Even when your eyes are filled with tears, find one thing, just one, to thank Allah for. That spark of gratitude is a shield, it is a weapon. Use it. The power of dua. Your voice reaches the divine. Never underestimate the power of your dua. It is not a whisper into emptiness, it is a direct call to the one who holds the universe. Every sincere plea you utter, even the ones soaked in tears and barely audible from your lips, are heard. They are never ignored. Sometimes the answer is delayed because something better is coming. Sometimes it is redirected because Allah knows what you don't. And sometimes it is answered in ways so subtle, you only see it in hindsight. But know this, no dua is ever wasted. Keep asking, keep crying, keep trusting. Miracles happen where dua persists. Nothing is impossible for Allah. He has done it before. When the Prophet Musa stood before the Red Sea with Pharaoh's army charging behind, it seemed like the end. But Allah parted the sea. When Maryam, alone and in pain, cried out during childbirth, Allah provided from the trunk of a palm tree. When Prophet Yunus was swallowed by a whale, he called out in darkness, and Allah responded. These were not just stories. They were divine reminders. No situation is too difficult for Allah. He is the creator of all outcomes. What seems impossible to you is effortless for Him. So trust, wait, believe. His help is never far. Sopanti Ryan. Even if your heart feels numb and your soul exhausted, keep going. Your faith is not gone, it's being refined. You're not forgotten, you're being prepared. Keep turning to Allah, because even a trembling, broken prayer is enough to move mountains in His mercy.